So, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Um, I am Dancing Tomato. Welcome back to another video. So, on this channel, I'm mainly going to focus on Hypixel stuff, as you can see behind me. This is Bed Wars. Hypixel stuff, as in like the main stuff on Hypixel, like Bed Wars and Skyblock and Skywars. The things people like usually plan to play when they play Hypixel. But if people want, I will also make a survival guide 1.9 plus if you want. I will be talking about strategies during games like Bed Wars and Skywars. So you can use these videos as strategy tutorials on what I do and stuff. But yeah, let's hop into the first game. Now we cut to the first game. Hello. 83 ms. Whoa. Fine. So the first game has started. This is Skyrise, and also a quick tip: if you don't want to install mods and you want better FPS, then I think you should go with a client like Bad Lion or Lunar Client. As you can see right now, I am using the Bad Lion client and it's working well. You should also set up hotkeys for your sword and blocks, at least in Bed Wars, so that you can combo people and stuff. Also, one thing that will give you an advantage in Bed Wars, which you should definitely learn, is speed bridging. Like, that's the bridge that you can do consistently without dying much, and it's easy to do. You do not need to do fancy bridges like God Bridge or Weasley Bridge and stuff like that. You are okay doing like speed bridging, and you will still win games. And it's not a problem if I died, because he disconnected. No, how did he? His bed got destroyed by green. Okay, works for me, I guess. First thing I will come on! What you will do? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You saw nothing in the first part. Don't tell anyone. Also, you do not need to buy fancy gaming mice or fancy gaming keyboard to win Minecraft, Bed Wars, or any game basically. Like, you will play the same as like a guy who is playing with 12 FPS and like 12 CPS and like the best computer on this planet, if you use strategies like block hitting or W tapping and stuff like that, And most maps you want to rush, you should get 16 iron, 4 gold. I suggest wood, but you can also go for TNT and a wool defense, but then it will give you less blocks to like rush your opponent. Now on this map, you always look where your opponent is going, because your opponent from that side might like rush you this way, or the opponent from this side might rush you this way. Now this opponent is rushing me, so I will kill him first. He built up but fell off, which is good for me, I guess. You should try and build up as much as you can, because high ground is always never bad. Now I will drop on this guy. He is smart, he is not going to come, but you have to wait for him. Like, you don't just quickly rush onto him and hope to win, because he will have a slight health advantage. So it's better you bridge to him and then drop on him so that you take less fall damage. Or you try to knock him into the void, which is a very valid option. I wasn't getting the word. Or you can just combo him out of a living, I guess. I killed that guy. Now I don't think I will be able to kill him again, but I will try. Okay, he suicided. No problem. Now we will head over to blue because he seems like a threat. Let's e-chest all this. Let's go to my base. So that guy was not good, or he was not doing the optimal strategies to win. He messed up a lot. He made very small mistakes which actually matter. Now I will buy tools and TNT because they help. I'm going to bank this rest of the stuff except of the iron. Buy some blocks, bank it again and switch to the diamond gem. It will give me small upgrades and it will be a faster way to go to blue. Speed bridging gives you a very quick advantage on your opponent because you can reach islands faster than them. You can start rushing them before they rush you. So right now, I am going for blue. I don't know if he's aware of me coming. That was a cool block clutch. I didn't place the defense back. I always like to place back the defense because it just looks neat and sometimes tricks people to think that it's broken or the bed's already broken and waste their time going there. So now I ran out of blocks, so I will go into this gen and buy blocks from whatever I get. Now I will not take it out of my e-chest because I have enough to buy more. Also, another thing I suggest are hotkeys. Hotkeys to at least your sword, blocks and TNT. Also, you should always try and buy traps. The things you should prioritize from the Bedwars shop, the things you should buy, the things that are useful are from diamonds. I would say sharpness. You should always prioritize sharpness, protection, trap and heal pool if needed. Now I am going back because I didn't collect diamonds, which was dumb of me because I thought blue would be at his base, but he wasn't, and I didn't want him to get the diamonds. And the diamonds is up here on this map, which I forgot. They did a new map rotation, so I'm not used to this map. This was an old map they added back, I think. No wait, this is the emerald gen as well, so the diamond gen was not here. I'm dumb. Another strategy is that you take less fall damage if you do that. Huh?
Why are you going to do this?
What? Emeralds are important, but you shouldn't prioritize them unless your bed is destroyed. You shouldn't specifically go for them. If you go for them and there is no other team coming for you, you still shouldn't go for them because they are kind of just a waste of time. You can kill other people while you are, I can see the diamond gen, so I'm going to bridge to it. you can eliminate other people and make use of your time in a better way instead of just, getting stronger stuff. Because you can beat someone with stronger stuff if you have the skills to. Now I want fireball jump up. And right now, I am the only one with a bed. So I will play kind of defensive. I'm going to buy protection and a trap because I can't afford sharpness. And I was anyways about to prioritize a trap because I am the only one with a bed. The trap I suggest, which is like the best trap in the game, is miner fatigue. It always helps. Like, it's never like, a waste of your diamonds.
I want someone to zoom very quickly.
Also, I think Optifine Zoom, which is included with Bad Lion and Lunar, is very useful for bed wars. Because, come on. Because you can zoom in on people and fireball them off while they are bridging. Now I might win this game. I am not collecting M's. I came to mid because most of the people who don't have their bed come to mid. And I think the white dude is going to be at mid because where else would he be? Oh. I thought that was TNT, but that was a block I broke. Okay. I can't show you in this game. But Optifine helps to zoom in on people who are bridging and then you can fireball them off. I won't be able to show you in this game I think, but in other games I will try and show you. I already have 8 M's, so I think I will go back to my base and make use of them. I suggest pearl and a full set of pots so that you can sneak up on that dude. I am not fireball or TNT jumping to this base because I will take a lot of damage and I will be easily killable. I will buy a pearl and a full set of potions. Then I will keep, I don't need tools, so I will keep pots instead of tools and ender pearl. Now I'm going to go back to my base because he might be Invis and Magic Milk at my base right now. And if you don't know what Magic Milk is, by the way, this is a long game. If you don't know what's Magic Milk, by the way, it's a thing that prevents you from triggering traps. He could be somewhere around here, but I don't think so. Instead of camping at my base, when I see him, I'm going to pot up and pearl on him so that I can, just kill him and stuff. And also, you should always keep ender pearls in your hotkey so that you don't fall off, or if you fall off, then you can pearl out. Right now, I don't have blocks, so I will go to this base. I have 35 iron, so I will just buy blocks, use my gold for TNT because why not? And if I see him, I'm going to pot up and pearl to him because why not? I think he will be at mid, so let's go mid and camp mid. Let's camp mid. If he comes mid, or let's see if my trap gets triggered. The game has not been going for too long, but longer than an average game, I would say. An average game would last 5 minutes. This one's lasting longer. Invisibility. Speed. Jump. Why would you do that? That's a bad idea. GG's. So we won this game. Also, did I tell you this in the beginning of the video? We are going to get the Dragon Rider Victory Dance. Oh, there are diamonds there. My bad. So as you saw in that first game, all the strategies I said worked, and I finally have 100,000 coins. So I know why you clicked on this video. I know you wanted me to see to get the Dragon Rider Victory Dance in Bed Wars. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video, but I think you read the title. So let's buy it today. I am so excited. I had 100,000 coins before, but I spent it on a bed destruction because it looked cool. Where is Victory Dance? Oops. Yeah, Victory Dance, Dragon Rider Victory Dance, confirmed. Selected. Now let's try to win another game and see if we can use it. Oh, the new map. I don't know about this map. I knew they released the map, but I have not played on it because I haven't played Bed Wars in a while. So we are going to look at it as well. Next video I'm going to make, I think it's going to be the start of a new series. Just a spoiler if you want. When the video will be out, I will link the video in the description. I think I will upload it like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But yeah, I will think about it. Like this video is going to be uploaded a day after I record it. Hypixel did one good thing on this map. They made Iron generation like a little bit slower than the new maps. The Iron generation fast was kind of a good thing, but then there would always be that random guy who's going to rush you with like no bed defense and get your bed like even before the game like starts. And for this one you might need render distance, which I don't have high right now. Okay, there's nothing there, I guess. Increasing my render distance didn't help. I haven't played on the new maps again, so I don't know what's happening. Like every map they released was a circle of its own, but I guess there's no base there. I always prefer tools over TNT because you can, break it faster. Stupid fireballs. You can also like abuse fireballs like the... Like you can also use fireballs to your advantage. Like in the last game, I told you about the trick where you can zoom in and throw fireballs at people. Fireball is also useful for fireball jumping, but I didn't buy one. Thank you, Bridge. Thank you for saving me. Oh, I am stupid. Come on. Seriously? Am I like how you can look at yourself while you are invis? I would be just so trippy to like look at stuff. I'm going to fireball jump on this guy. Just look at this. Or probably fireball him off if he is coming. Okay, the other option. I'm going to... Now! Goodbye. That was a smart move. I don't think I will be able to get his bed before he respawns. But no problem, he's not good at the game. Got the bed. Did he just give up? I think he just gave up. So I will prioritize iron armor and make a 2-layer wool defense because armor is always better than a better bed defense. And like 2-layer wool with a minor fatigue trap is as good as like 1 layer of wood and 1 layer of wool. I almost walked off, which would be kind of embarrassing. Wait, I messed up. If you want to go 2-layer, you should always do this because it's like just a faster version. It's like smaller than a 2-layer, but they will always have to break 2 blocks to get to your bed defense. Now I think I'm going to bridge diamond gen. TNT, fireball, blocks, and e-chest the rest. Again, where is the diamond gem? There's nothing there, or is it just my render distance? Wait, that's not where you put your render distance to max. No, there's nothing there. Wastage of FPS. Go back to 16. Yes. Oh, the mid is close. You can. I think I can. You can make that fireball jump, but I'm not going to try. I have hotkeys for sword, blocks, TNT, golden apple, or fireball. Nice block clutch. Oh, I didn't need to block clutch there. I thought I fell off, but I didn't.
Now you do.
I would like a block clutch, but I couldn't. Don't buy a fireball of fresh spawn because it's fireballs are wastage of iron unless you really need them. Like, don't buy fireballs of a fresh spawn.
There's a guy there.
There's a guy I can see there. He collected those diamonds. That was bad of me. I'm not good at this game I'm not as good as you think I am. But I won a game in the beginning, so a 27 star like me can perform these tricks. Then you know everyone can perform these tricks. And my bed's gone. Yay. But I think I will be able to kill him because I have the slight health lead. And I saw these. Oh my god, my game is so laggy. Almost died.
3Ms for diamonds.
Say it with me. Not even close. I think I'm going to buy jump and invisibility and sharpness because why not?
You better sword.
A stone sword. I can't afford an iron sword, so I'm not buying it. I'm going to take everything out of my ender chest because even if I die, then it doesn't matter. Iron sword would be nice. I think we are set. Gray is the only team remaining. Oh, too late to realize that. Let's buy more blocks and a fireball. Wrong shop, I guess. I saw someone. Okay. My bad, I did. Fireball. And what else?
That's it.
Yeah, that's all I need. Now let's go mid and get his bed. I'm not risking anything, man. I don't think I will use my pots right now. I would prefer if I can fireball him. Where did he go? Wait. Where is he? I don't care. Let's just see how he got here to mid. And once I reach this place, I'm going to drink my pots. I didn't walk off by myself. Yay!
That was the fire.
I need a golden apple. I would prefer a golden apple. Another fireball to fireball him off.
You have enough blocks.
And yeah, that's it. My invis ran out, but I have another 7 seconds of jump boost, so let's make use of it to get back. Yeah, so jump boost over. Now let's go mid and see what's up there. I would prefer if I mean fireball him off. It's just the easier way, like. And this is not one of the big maps. Like once you bridge to the diamond gen, you have like the access to every base.
Where is he? Find him.
I think I'm going to get 2 M's and get the player tracker because I don't know where he is. He might be in his, like, I don't know. Oh, he's collecting M's at mid. There's only 1 M there. There should have been 2 if he wasn't at mid. He's at mid somewhere. He's somewhere at mid, but let's just get the tracker. Like, what's wrong? Yeah. Tracker shop, grey. Oh, mate! Oh, he's invis. I lost. Golden up. Oh. So that was close. I could have won that game if I knew he was invis. But yeah. That was a good game. That was close though. I could have won that. Thank you all for watching the video. Like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.